Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. Born from an idea, plated with passion, saucy popcorn chicken with vegetable fried rice. It started with a few ingredients, ended up with a whole new dish, my own recipe, my own idea. A complete main course. Let's start the recipe. 6 tablespoons of chili garlic ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix well. Half teaspoon heaped black pepper powder. Salt to taste. Half tablespoon of sugar. Mix again. Frozen chicken popcorn. Fry them. 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of ginger garlic crushed, 1/4 cup of mushrooms, 1 capsicum cut in cubes. Sauté for 2 minutes and turn off the flame. Now add the prepared sauce. Turn the flame on. Add to chicken cubes. Sauté for a minute. Add 2 cups of water. Stir occasionally. When the sauce starts to boil, add the cornflour slurry, made by mixing 3 tablespoons of cornflour with 5 tablespoons of water. Stir continuously on medium flame until the sauce turns thick and glossy. Time to prepare the vegetable fried rice. 3 tablespoons of oil. Half tablespoon of garlic crushed. Sauté for a minute. Add 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, 1/4 cup of julienne cut capsicum, 2 tablespoons of chopped baby corn, 1 1/2 cups of roughly chopped cabbage. Stir well. Add 1 chicken cube. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Stir for a while. Now add 5 cups of boiled rice. Toss well. Add in the rice and toss everything together on high flame. Vegetable fried rice is ready. Top with fried popcorn chicken before serving. Perfection on a plate. Now add the spring onion greens for a fresh and colorful touch. A few baby corn pieces for fresh and full of flavor. Don't forget to tell me how today's recipe turned out. Your feedback means a lot. I'll be waiting to hear from you. More creative recipes coming your way. Hit subscribe and don't forget to like and share. See you soon with another Cooking in a Budget special recipe video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.